Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, by the way, if you are new here, my name is Ella the Body. I vlog beauty, lifestyle and fitness. In today's video, I'm going to take you through my warm-up, what I normally do prior to actually doing my actual exercise. I'm guilty of this, like some people, some gym goer out there, that sometimes we just get to the gym and just get into it and leave, and then the next day your body feels so sore that you can't do anything. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how I warm up my glutes, my legs and my upper body, my abs even, to prepare basically my entire body of what I'm about to put it through. I normally warm up 20 minutes to half an hour. If I don't have time, I do 5 to 10 minutes, but I like to go on longer than the actual usual. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share so I can make more videos like this for you guys if you enjoy it. Thank you. Okay, I'm a big preacher that you should always change your clothes straight away after you finish training, so that you don't sit in that sweaty, sticky feeling, you know. But I'm so hungry, so I quickly wanted to show you guys what I normally eat after my training. It's been half an hour. I'm home. I'm gonna make my brekkie. I'm so hungry. The belly needs some food. So I'm going to show you guys what I normally have. Let me just bring the camera over here. If you move, these are all the items that I'm going to be having for my breakfast. So we have egg, we have avocado, cucumber, spinach, tomato. Those are just the spare. I think I'm going to use that one first before I touch the new one that I have just purchased. Okay, let's eat. And there you have it. My breakfast is served, ready to enter my stomach. You have avocado, cucumber, tomatoes, and egg and spinach. Okay, thank you guys.